Mario returns to the Motor City. What we did was talk about basic whip and single outside turn on a whip. Bring the follower in 1, 2. Give her the triple 3 and 4. When we do a single turn, the rotation happens on 5, 6, rather than on a dibble where it's on 7 and 8. So we want to bring the follower by on 5. We give her the rotation on 6. She's facing away from us to go ahead and anchor for 7 and 8. We then took the same basic idea on a sugar tuck. 1, 2, we're compressing on 3. We want to not bounce the lead, but rather absorb the compression on 3. She steps out on count number 4, same position to go ahead and anchor 5 and 6. We talked about delaying the spin. So what we're going to do is we're going to delay coming in or on the way out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of stepping on count number 4, she now steps on count number 6. So remember, even count. For even count, everything's cool. She still gets a real anchor on 7th and 8th beats of the figure, even though it's still a 6 count pattern. We then applied the same thing to a whip, but because we're doing a whip with an outside turn, it's a slightly different position with the hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to take the hand down and out to let her know that we're slowing down the motor. Leaders, be careful. Some of you want to pull too much. Followers, when you shape this, you want to shape away from the hand. So as the hand comes up, you shape away. Guys, slow down the turn. She steps out now instead of on 6. She'll be stepping out on the 8th beat of the figure. Leaders step into the track. We would anchor on the 9th and 10th beats of the figure. We then took that and applied it to a reverse whip. Walk her in 1, 2, lead on the diagonal 3 and 4, take the hand out. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we started putting smoke and mirrors on it. Started handshake, ask for the left hand on top. Make sure to redirect the follower on 4, bring the hands down 5, 6, 7. Remember, the 3-hour difference is absolutely crucial for social dancing. She steps on 8, we anchor out on the 9th and 10th beats of the figure. From there, the second pattern we did was a spinning side pass with a split overhead on the handhold. Walk her in 1, 2. Take both hands up, 3, and we split them on 4. Step away for the anchor, 5 and 6. Variation on the figure. Leaders step across the track on 4. 1, 2, 3, and move. This applies circular or rotational momentum. We then add as many walks as we want before releasing when we want to go ahead and go into the anchor. Putting the whole thing together, we had 1, 2, 3, and 4, down 5, 6, 7, step, anchor out, 1, 2, 3, step in, walk it out, release, anchor, step. Final thing we did was an overturn. We're going to allow the follower or lead the follower to rotate past square, and this is done by bringing the hands down and actually accelerating and leading the follower away. Followers are going into a second position line. So remember, when you do bring your feet together, think about bringing the ankles together. Bathroom, dancing. Remember that big difference, yeah? We applied that to our reverse whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're stepping out and overturning the 10th beat of the figure. Immediately go into 3 and 4, bring the hands up, 3 and 4, walk it out, release for the anchor. Yes? Good class. And